Okay, it's getting ready to go out and do a bit of work in the garden. The sun is shining again, even though it is incredibly cold and most of the ground is frozen, but it's not going to be too much of a problem as I will be using my trusty mattock here to take out some of the fibrous roots left behind by some of the flowers which are just beyond this wall here on the bank next to the road. So I'll be using the trusty mattock. Used to be a bit sharper than it is now, but the ground that we have here is incredibly stony and that is my main workhorse tool. I've also got the rake here. It lost a tine a couple of days ago, ripped out by a particularly stubborn bramble. And we've also got the loppers and my secateurs. So I've got two sets of secateurs. I've got the secateurs which I use for heavy duty bramble clearance in mud, heavy duty work. And I also have some secateurs which I keep in a slightly better condition, which I use for deadheading and pruning around the garden. So I'm a bit slack really. I'm not great at keeping my tools nice and tidy, mud free as you can see. But one thing I do always make sure is that I have got this, which I use for sharpening my secateurs and the loppers. So every day, at least once a day, sometimes twice a day, depending on how much work I've been doing, I make sure that I keep everything sharp so that it is easier to cut and I don't spend hours trying to get roots out when they really don't want to go.